Hello, today I'm going to guide you on how to create and use slicers in Excel. If you want to build interactive dashboards or quickly filter your data visually, slicers are an essential tool. First, open your Excel file and click on any cell inside your data table. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on the Slicer button in the Filters group. A window will pop up. Now choose the fields you want to filter by. Click OK. The slicer will appear on your sheet. Now simply click any item in the slicer to filter your table. The data will automatically update based on your selection. To remove the filter, click the clear filter icon at the top right of the slicer. And that's how easy it is to create and use slicers in Excel. Slicers help make your reports more dynamic and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.